Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show you how to increase your screen size in a VirtualBox. So when you load your OS into VirtualBox, this is Windows 10, and you try to make it full screen, it sets it to this. So all you have to do is go to devices in your virtual machine, and then say insert guest edition CD image. This will load the CD-ROM drive with, I think, drivers or settings, something like that. Okay, once that's done, you go to folders and you find your CD-ROM drive. So this PC, and double click there it is. Okay, so just find your 64-bit version. For some reason I have a 32-bit version on here, so I have to click that one, but you'll obviously click the 64-bit. I'm running AMD, so let's just click this one, say yes. Okay, goes next, install, just use all the defaults. Right, and you have to reboot it now for it to kick in. Just say finish and it will restart. Log in. What's my login now? And it's full screen with all the available extra settings, copy to your clipboard and so on. Yeah, good.